Hey guys, I'm Cole with Ohio Drone Repair, and today I'm going to be showing you something pretty cool. This is the Rider by Dronetag. It's a remote ID receiver module that's able to detect drones 3 miles away. So any drone with a remote ID module, it can detect, such as DJI, Autel, Inspired Flight, FreeFly. Any drone with a remote ID receiver, it can detect. So today we're going to be going over this device and showing you how it works. So let's crack open this box. So we got our USB-C charger here with a nice logo on there. Then we got the device itself, which we'll get into in a moment. Then we got stickers, which, you know, I love my stickers. And then we got a QR code with some more tutorials and information here. So we also got the instruction manual that's on the box itself, which is nice and convenient. So yeah, let's get into the device itself. So it's nice and pocket-sized. It's hard plastic, pretty well built. We got our SMA connected antenna, 2.4 gigahertz antenna on here. It's nice and foldable. And then we got our power button here, as well as our action button, which we'll get into in a second, as well as our status lights. So you'll just plug in your USB-C right here and plug it in and charge it, and you'll get about 6 to 10 hours of battery life out of this thing. So while this is off right now, we can just short press the power button and see it's around like 30 to 40% battery right now with those 2 status lights blinking. Press and hold it again. See that it turns on, and since we're inside, it's not going to be able to detect any drones or anything since it needs a satellite signal. So what's really cool about the Rider is that it's able to actually connect to your phone with the Dronetag app, as well as connecting to LTE and then connecting to Dronetag's cloud servers, and then you can also use its API to connect to other platforms as well as the app. You can see it's where the link is right here. It's connected to my phone and it's scanning for drones. But like I said, it doesn't have satellite signal, so it's going to have to be outside to detect drones around 3 miles away. Let's go outside and test this out, and we'll get back in here. All right, so with the Dronetag Rider here, we're able to see on our app that I'm standing right here. You can actually see the pilot's location, which is actually right over there. And then if you look up, you can actually see the location of the drone up at 72 feet up there too. You can see the drone's elevation and its flight path. And yeah, so it's pretty cool, but you can actually see the pilot's location as well. So we just came back inside from testing this bad boy out. As you can see, it's pretty useful for detecting drones in the pilot's location. It's super useful for event security and for public safety people, but anyone that's just wondering, even drones that are just in the airspace around them, who just want to know what they are, where they are, it's just really useful for everyone. So I appreciate you watching. Hopefully you learned something about this cool device. If you're interested in one, get in contact with us. We'll be happy to help you out and give you some more information. Thank you so much and have a great day. We'll see you later.